Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to enable or disable adaptive gain control on DJI Mic 3. And let's begin. First, you want to swipe from the top to the bottom, and then you want to scroll right once and enter transmitter settings. In here, you want to scroll right 2 times and enter adaptive gain control. As you can see, by default it is turned disabled, but we can always enable it, and when it's enabled we can switch from automatic to dynamic. Of course, it's hard to really say exactly how both of these features work, but if you want, you can just play around with them and test what works best for you, since this is really based on type of environment you're recording in, to automatically or dynamically increase or decrease the gain. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.